This is the ManHammer. This is the world's first hammer that you can add regular weights to. My apologies that my hammer is dirty. I beat the shit out of this thing, and I also leave it out in the weather. This isn't what a fresh hammer is going to look like. For that, check out the ManHammer on Amazon.com. The ManHammer weighs 20 pounds, and I just added 75 to it. This is a 95-pound hammer. And it's fucking heavy. The ManHammer is an ab workout. It's a shoulder workout. In one set, it'll teach you how to use your body together in unison. Use the same strength principles you would lifting weights, but apply it to hitting with the ManHammer. And just like that, the hard stuff for the week is done.